another video. In this video, we'll show you how to make a single field conditional in Excel add-in. So let's say, for example, I'm in here and I've got an opportunity. Within the opportunity, I've got a field here called tracking number, which is actually empty. So if I was to bring this back, it's just going to bring empty cell, and I don't want to do that. I want to display something else in that empty cell if it's empty. Here's what you do. Let's say I do opportunity name, opportunity stage, and then we'll do tracking number. Alright, let's go ahead and insert our fields. Like that. We'll do name, we'll do stage, and we'll do tracking number. Done, done, done. Now, let's take this ID for a second and preview this. Do opportunity ID equals this. Alright. As you can see, that it's going to load very shortly. I mean, my filter's wrong, so let's redo that again. Equals, not contains. Alright. Alright, as you can see, we've got the name stage, but this is empty because obviously it doesn't exist in Salesforce. What you want to do is you want to do a conditional render for this because you don't really want to produce empty cell. So what you want to do is you want to go to the build, you want to find this field, tracking, click edit, and do what's called conditional render. And what you want to say, if opportunity tracking is not empty, let me widen this a little bit, we'll say is not empty, then use the tracking number. Alright, so what we're saying, if this field is not empty, then that's fine. Go ahead and use the tracking number. If it is empty equals false, then say tracking not available. Like that. So if you click save, and then if I preview, look at that. You see? So now what we've done is we said Titan, there's a stage, but actually there's no tracking number, so tracking not available. Now let's find another opportunity quickly which does have tracking number. In fact, I'm going to take this one and I'll add a tracking number in here manually. Actually, there's already one there anyway. So let's use this one. So this one should not say tracking not available. This one should say actually what the tracking number is. So what we'll do is configure conditions, add that one, save conditions, preview now, and look at that. There's your difference, alright? So that's how you do conditional logic on each field. Remember, all your fields are under the build. You just need to click on it and then do conditional render. And based on your logic, we will display the data. If it doesn't, then we will display the alternative which you have provided. And that's how you do it.